Okay, so today we have a whining noise on an 06 BMW 550i. Check it out. Now, when we pull the transmission dipstick out right here, the whining noise goes away. Push it in, whining noise. Pull it out, goes away.
It's kind of fun though.
So hang in there, we're going to figure this out and let you know. Okay, so we let it run for a while and decided to puke oil out of the dipstick there. So we're getting close to finding it. So that's not the transmission dipstick, that's actually engine oil dipstick. And what's wrong with it is underneath this BMW cover, these PCV valves. They look like this. This is the cap for it. You take the cap off. And when you take the cap off, you'll see there's a rubber diaphragm and a spring. And the rubber diaphragm, as you can see here, breaks. So you replace that and the spring. Tune into our channel. Just call me Eddie for a complete video on the repairs.